Ashley, and I'm going to be showing you how to make really soft slime. And you can see that creeping through there, like saying hi. That's super weird. And you can see my closet. That's really messy. Okay, so now you can see my other stuffed animal. That's better. And then, so I'm going to be showing you how to make this slime. But I'm going to, because I like my table, it doesn't show. I wanted to try. There you go. I'm going to be showing you how to make this soft baby slime. I'm going to call it baby slime. Very soft. Okay, so you're going to be needing something mixed with, a bowl to mix it, a spoon, another spoon, contact or detergent, contact lens solution. I'm using clear, no salt because salt doesn't work with it. And I'm gonna show you what detergent might turn your. You might use detergent. That's my button. You guys can see I have like all my slime shit. Okay, so yeah, this white slime, but that's not baby slime. And okay, so this is contact slime solution, baking soda. No, you're only gonna be needing a little bit of that. And baking soda, shaving cream, baby oil. This is the main one to use baby slime. You can use whatever. I just went to 99 cents because it's much cheaper. I went to Target, like $5, and 99 cents is just $1. Contact lens solution, Target, baking soda store. I got this, let me see, like 4 weeks ago. 99 cents, but I have like a big one that I haven't used. I was like for 5 weeks ago. Okay, so then I have this contact lens solution from yesterday, and bowl splits Friday. Oh my sorry about that. Yeah, and clear and Elmer's Grove main. And fruit coloring is optional. I'm gonna be making mine a white baby slime again. Fruit coloring and a scent. Where I got this at 99 cents store for $2. You get like a whole packet for $2. But I'm gonna make a blueberry scent. I make this slime a blueberry scent. So yeah, so let's get started. The first thing you're gonna be needing is a bowl. Get your glue and pour it in. Now this is the dirty one. Okay, so there. And now you're gonna be mixing it up. This is what I'm wearing today. A long and some shorts and my hair down. So just mix them up. Add shaving cream. Add however you want. There's no measures. Just add how much. Until it looks like a thick ice cream extra. Now, get your baby oil. Right? The first two. Oh my gosh, I'm trying to open this. Okay, the first two, pour it on the top. Or the first and put it on top. And then the second one, put it halfway. Like this is the meat berry oil. You're still gonna be needing it, so just mix it. Now get your baby oil and do this till it turns kind of like slime, like very moistly. One more. And like this. So it turns like that. Add shaving cream. Add shaving cream. If it doesn't like really mix up together, add a bit more though. And mix that up. Shaving cream. And then the second, you're still going to just mix it up. And so you find this very nice smell of baby oil into it. And add one, like a whole one of baby oil. Whole of baby oil. So now mix that up. Yes, and then now you're gonna be adding 2 pinches of baking soda. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm using 4 and 2. And now add a bit of more shaving. Right now you could add your set. I can't open this with my hands. Okay, so I'm just gonna add my set. Blue. Nice and blue. Oh my scent smells so good. Okay, so. Oh, it smells good, but not that much. I think that's enough. Oh yeah, that smells good. Okay, so yeah, when you mix that up, add your contact solution. Get your spoon, the second spoon, and pour it in. 1, 2, and mix that up. And it's just coming in together. It looks like that, like it's coming together, but it's not. Well, get your clean your put 1 more, 2 more, and 1, 2, and mix that up. And I think till everything starts to come in, put it onto the table or whatever you're on. This is how it should feel. Very, very, very fluffy. It smells good, kind of. So, thank you guys for watching. I hope you have a great day. Keep a like in this video, and slimes on Thursdays, I think. I might. So I might have a day scheduled. So it's on me. And yeah, I got half things on 99cents and some on Target. I got my, now I'm going to be showing you guys where I got my stuff. I got my stuff from my contact solution to $9.59 for about 2 bottles. Target, no salt. And I got it from Target. My 6-5 glues, Target, forgot like $3. shaving cream $1.99 store. Oh my god, oh my god. Like my tablet is like so slippery. And yeah, thank you guys for watching. And my baking soda got from 99 store, baby oil 99 store, and yeah. Thank you for watching. Bye.